Namaste, Kosharo Bidya. Today's topic is SLE, Systemic Lupus Erythematosus. It is a chronic multi-system inflammatory autoimmune disorder characterized by the formation of antibody direct against self antigen and immune complex formation resulting in damage to essentially any organ. Epidemiology, although SLE after primary women of childbearing age, approximately 50% of cases present in childhood, mainly around puberty. SLE is rare in children younger than 9 years of age. Although there is a female predominance of this disease in adolescence and adulthood, there is an equal gender distribution in children. The overall prevalence of SLE in the pediatric population is 10 to 25 cases per 1 lakh children. A little bit of history. Lupus is the Latin word of wolf. Erythematosus means red rashes. In 1851, Dr. Sijanowem discovered red rashes on a patient's face. This looked like wolf bites. He named the rash of discoid lupus erythematosus. In 1885, Sir William Osler recognized that many people with lupus had a disease involving not only the skin but many other organ or system. He named the disease systemic lupus erythematosus. Type of lupus: systemic lupus erythematosus. One the most people refer to when they say lupus. The symptom of SLE may be mild or serious, although SLE usually first affected people between the age of 15 and 45. It can occur in childhood or later in life as well. Discoid lupus erythematosus, a chronic skin disorder in which a red raised rashes appear on the face, scalp, or elsewhere. The raised area may become thick and scaly and may cause scarring. The rash may last for days or years and many recur. A small percentage of people with discoid lupus have or develop SLE later. Type of lupus: neonatal lupus, a rare disorder that can occur in newborn babies. Scientists suspected that neonatal lupus is caused by autoantibodies in the mother of blood called anti-RO and anti-LA. Autoantibodies, auto means self, are blood proteins that act against the body own parts. At birth, the babies have a skin rash, liver problem, low blood count. These symptoms gradually go away over several months, although in rare cases, babies with neonatal lupus may have a heart problem that slow down the natural rhythm of the heart. Clinical features: cardiac, endocarditis, myocarditis, pericarditis, contusional, contusional, fatigue, fever, weight loss, gastrointestinal, gastrointestinal, abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting. Clinical feature: dermatological, alopecia, puffy rash, mucous membrane lesion, photosensitivity, purpura, Raynaud phenomena, vasculitis. Hematological: anemia, leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, musculoskeletal arthralgia, arthritis, myositis. Pulmonary: pleurosis, pulmonary hypertension, pulmonary parenchyma. Clinical feature: neuropsychiatry, cranial neuropathies, organic brain syndrome, peripheral neuropathies, psychosis, seizure, transfer myelitis. Renal: cast, nephrotic syndrome, where proteinuria. Thank you.